Sairam children, welcome back to our maths class. We will continue with lesson 6, division. Now we have finished these topics: divide equally, revision, division as repeated subtraction, relation between multiplication and division. Today we will be doing long division method. Now what is long division method? Long division method helps to divide bigger number easily. Now I will explain you. Now if the number 24 divided by 6 equal to. Now how we can write? You have to make one box like this. You will write 24 inside and 6 outside. Now you have to say the tables of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are, now you will write 24. Okay, now you will put one line, give your subtraction sign. Now we have to subtract. 4 minus 4, 0, and 2 minus 2 is also 0. So after dividing the numbers, two numbers, the answer we get is quotient. So what is the quotient here? 4 is the quotient. Okay, understood how we will write? Now one more example. Now 21 divided by 7 equal to. Now what you have to do? Make this box, write 21, then 7. Now say the tables of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Okay, now give your subtraction sign. Do the subtraction. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So you can put 1 0 here. And the quotient is 3. Okay? All have understood how to write? Now I will introduce some new words. The number to be divided is the dividend. Okay? The number by which we divide is the divisor. The answer we get is the quotient. Okay? Dividend, divisor, quotient. Now here you can see 15 divided by 3. So 3 fives are 50. 3 fives are 15. So equal to 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Now here 15 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor, and 5 is the quotient. Okay? Now long division method. Divide 63 by 7. How you will write? What you will make? One box here, 63, and then 7 here. What you have to do? You have to say the tables of 7. So start. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Do you remember the tables of 7? Have you learned? Then quickly you can say what you have to multiply with 7 to get 63. What? 7 nines are 63. Okay, like this. And then after subtracting, what we are getting? We are getting 0. So 9 is the quotient. Okay, 9 is the answer. And 63 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor, and 9 is the quotient. Now have a look here like this. 63 divided by 7. You can see, if you don't remember the tables, you write slowly. Okay? Write the table slowly in your notebook, and then you can do the division. Quotient, dividend, divisor. Now again divide 72 by 8. Now what we will write? How we will write? Make this box, write 72, then here 8. Now say the tables of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, then 8 nines are 72. Put the subtraction sign, 0. So 9 is called quotient, 72 is called dividend, and 8 is the divisor. Okay, now it is clear. Now look here, like this. You will write down the tables, or you will say the tables, and then do the division. Finished? Understood? Now divide and find the quotient. We can do it. So this is your classwork. Just write classwork. Now what we have to do? 14 divided by 2. You have to say the tables of 2. So for division you have to learn the tables, then you can do it quickly. So say 2, say the tables of 2. 2 sevens are 14. Okay. Now what we have to do? Subtracting. After subtracting we will get 0. Now the next one, question B. 25 divided by 5. 5 fives are 25. Then again 0. Question C. 42 divided by 6. See the tables of 6. 6 sevens are 42. Again 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Question D. 24 divided by 8. 8 threes are 24. And write 0 here. You can see 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now check your answer. Have you checked the answers? You have done correctly. Finished? Now question E. 81 divided by 9. 9 nines are 81. Question F. 56 divided by 7. 7 eights are 56. Question G. 45 divided by 5. 5 nines are 45. And you have to write the 0 what you are getting after subtracting. Don't forget to write the 0. 64 divided by 8. 8 eights are 64. Question K. 8 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. After subtracting, we are getting 0. Question L, 0 divided by 5. 5 zeros are 0. Sorry children. Okay. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. Finished? Now fill in the boxes. What it is written? Question A, do it as your classwork. Finish with me. Question A, dividend equal to 18, divisor equal to 2, quotient equal to 9. Now arrow is showing. Now in the box you have to write dividend, divisor and quotient. So what we will write? Write 18 here. 18 divided by 2, quotient is given 9. Just read the question, try to understand and then fill in the boxes. Question B, dividend equal to 36, divisor equal to 6, quotient equal to 6. So what we will write here? 36 divided by 6, quotient is given 6. Correct? Now question C, 64 divided by 8. So see the tables of 8. 8 8s are 64. Now the arrow is showing dividend equal to what you will write? You have to select from here. So dividend equal to 64. Now divisor equal to 8. This one is the divisor and quotient is 8. Okay. Check it. Now question D. Check the answers. Question D. Look here. 21 divided by 3 equal to 7. 3 sevens are 21. The arrow is showing. You have to write dividend equal to 21, divisor equal to 3, quotient equal to 7. Question E, 45 divided by 9 equal to 9 5s are 45. Yes, write 5 there. Then the arrow is showing you have to write dividend equal to 45 is written. Divisor equal to 9. Quotient equal to 5. Okay. All have finished. So it is clear. Today we have learned dividend, divisor, quotient and how we will write in the box if the question is given. Okay. Finished your work? Okay. Thank you children. Bye.